What is up, everyone, and welcome to Robeytech. Do we have a special episode ready for you? We are reviewing one of the most innovative and dare I say, industry-changing products that I have seen to date. It looks like a normal machine, but wait. You've heard of the small form factor PC, but have you heard of the thin form factor PC? Aha! Introducing the Newegg F4 CA-D3 InstaPC Case Mod. This is some powerful sheet. We have a 2080 Ti, a 3950X liquid-cooled by a Corsair H100i RGB Platinum. It's got 64 gigs of Corsair Dominator Platinum RAM and of course 4 terabytes of NVMe storage. This sheet is awesome. The best thing about it is it's all completely wireless. Somehow magically this sheet is wire-free. Now, I know that you want to get your hands on our sheet, and there is no way that we're sharing our sheet with you guys, but I will tell you that Newegg wants to hit you fans with this sheet as soon as they can. Guys, that's it for Robeytech today. Let us know what you thought about today's episode in the comments below. What do you think of this PC sheet? Is this PC sheet better than your rig? How much would you pay for this sheet? Let us know about all of that in the comments below. Now, while you're down there, be sure to slap that subscribe button, click that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video. Well, guys, I'm gonna go use this sheet. I'll see you guys later. How much would you pay for this sheet? Sorry, that's funny.